Hello and welcome. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to calculate the square footage of your property. We're going to use this information to input it into our online estimating tool, and this is going to give you an immediate approximate estimate for a new irrigation system install. So the first thing we're going to do is start off on Google Maps. You're going to input your address. And once it appears here, we're going to go to the bottom left-hand screen and we're going to hit Layers. I'm going to scroll into your property and right-clicking at the furthest point, we're going to click Measure Distance. So we're going to click along the perimeter of your property the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we're going to join it up. From there, it's going to give you an approximate value. Okay, so we're just over 10,000 square feet. So we're going to go to bluejayirrigation.com. We're going to go to Request a Proposal. Once you're here, you're going to go to the screen, Build Your Irrigation System. Just input your information here. We do require your phone number and your email address. This way our sales team is able to reach you. We're going to click Continue. So based on the information that we inputted, we're in between 10,000 and 15,000. So we're going to have some prompts come up and we're just going to fill this out to the best of our knowledge. So the area that you're located in, if you have grass in gardens that you would like irrigated, the soil type, and once you click, it will show you a photo of what that might look like. Are there any major slopes? Do you have a mature yard? Do you have grass or dirt? So do you have sod currently, or is it just dirt? Do you have a fence? Is your basement finished? The reason why this is important is because we need to be sure that we're able to get plumbing out of your property. Do you have a pool? Do you have a boulevard? And if you do have a boulevard, do you want that irrigated? In this case, we do not. And have you ever had irrigation before? From there, you're going to go, do you want a Wi-Fi weather-based controller? It's always a great idea to have a Wi-Fi controller. And we're going to continue on. So based on that information, it's going to pop up a quote in between the low end and the high end of your property and the full estimated value. From there, you can just hit send and it will send the sales team all the information that we need in order to complete a quote for you, and our sales team will be in touch shortly. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.